Robot vacuums have come a long way from just sweeping up dust. Today's models not only vacuum and mop, but also include advanced features that redefine home cleaning. Take the Eufy robot vacuum Omni E28, for example. It doesn't just clean your floors, it also includes a detachable portable deep cleaner, which Eufy claims is the world's first of its kind. On the other hand, the Roborock Saros Z70 raises the bar for premium robot vacuums. It features a fully retractable mechanical arm that can recognize objects, pick them up, and put them away, giving you a truly hands-off cleaning experience. But beyond these headline features, how do they really stack up against each other in terms of performance, efficiency, navigation, and overall value? Let's find out in our in-depth comparison of the Eufy robot vacuum Omni E28 versus Roborock Saros Z70. Let's begin with the design, as that's usually the first thing that grabs your attention the moment you see it. The Eufy Omni E28 has a modern look with a matte black finish. It has a rounded shape and a size that fits well into home environments. The design, though sleek at a glance, can feel cumbersome in tight spaces. As it's not the slimmest robot out there, it stands about 14.5 inches tall, but it's packing a built-in portable spot cleaner. This is a small detachable unit hidden right in the body of the vacuum. If you spill something on your stairs or couch, you can remove part of the vacuum and use it by hand, which is pretty useful. Now, let's talk about the docking station. It's quite large and takes up a bit of space, but there's a reason for that. This dock automatically empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, and even refills the detergent. On the other hand, the Roborock Saros Z70 goes in a totally different direction. It's just 3.14 inches tall, making it one of the slimmest high-end robot vacuums you can get. Because of its low height, it can easily slide under low furniture like couches, beds, or cabinets, places that bulkier robots usually can't reach. But what really makes the Saros Z70 stand out is its foldable Omni grip arm. This little arm folds out when needed and can actually grab small objects like socks, toys, or even hand towels weighing up to 300 grams. It moves them out of the vacuum's way so cleaning doesn't get interrupted. It's like the robot has a little helper hand. The dock for the Saros Z70 is also pretty advanced. It doesn't just wash the mops, it uses 80 degrees Celsius hot water to give them a deep clean and then dries them with warm air. So your vacuum always stays fresh and ready for the next job. It's basically giving itself a mini spa treatment after each clean. The Eufy 28 keeps things straightforward and controlled through the Eufy Home app. Once you open the app, you get access to some handy features. You can create a map of your home, tell it which areas not to mop, and even try something called Smart Track cleaning. This feature is kind of fun. The robot actually follows you around while you walk and cleans up in real time, though there's no screen on the device itself. But the app gives you control over things like suction power, which goes up to 20,000 pascals, and how intense the mopping should be. If you like using voice commands, you can link it with Alexa or Google Assistant too. Meanwhile, the Roborock Saros Z70 is on a different level. It feels like a gadget from the future. Through its app, you can draw virtual lines on the map for its robotic arm. For example, you can tell it to place socks in one area or avoid a messy spot with toys. It also works as a live security camera. The coolest part? It supports Matter 1.4, which means it'll soon connect with other smart home gadgets like lights and locks. And with software updates, it'll keep learning and improving over time. The Eufy Omni E28 is designed to be super thorough when it comes to cleaning around tricky spots. It uses something called corner rover tech, which is basically a flexible arm. That bends and reaches around furniture legs to clean those hard-to-reach baseboards. It also has duo spiral brushes that are built to handle carpet cleaning without getting tangled up in hair, which is a huge plus if you have pets. And with a battery that lasts up to 103 minutes, it can clean large spaces in one go. The only downside is the dock. It's pretty heavy, about 34 pounds. The vacuum itself isn't the easiest to maneuver or store in compact homes, making it less ideal for users who value space-saving convenience. In comparison, the Roborock Z70 is built for speed and agility. It's like the athlete of robot vacuums. Its Vertibeam tech uses 3D sensors to avoid obstacles like cables, shoes, or toys. Plus, the AdaptLift chassis lets it hop over door sills up to 4 centimeters high. It even has an Omni grip arm that can move small items and clean under or behind them. Weighing just 11 pounds, it's easy to carry upstairs too. In short, the E28 is perfect for homes with lots of furniture, while the Z70 is ideal for busy, cluttered households. When it comes to maintenance, both Eufy and Roborock make things easy, especially if you forget to clean up often. Eufy's all-in-one station can empty the dust bin automatically, wash the mop with cold water, refill the detergent, and even dry the mop pads. You only need to empty the main dustbin every few weeks. But one thing to mention is that its spot cleaner has a small water tank, so it's better for quick cleanups than full house deep cleans. Roborock's dock goes a step further. It uses hot water to wash the mop, killing bacteria, and dries it with warm air to prevent bad smells. It even removes the mop pads automatically when switching to vacuum mode. The interesting part? Its brushes have self-cleaning using Roborock's free flow system, which helps stop hair from getting tangled. That means less time cleaning the robot itself. So overall, Eufy is a bit easier to maintain with its automatic dustbin emptying and simpler setup. Let's talk about their performance. The E28 robot mop is great for hard floors. If you accidentally spill some ketchup on the floor. With the E28 robot mop, you don't have to worry. Its hydrojet mop blasts 360 water pulses per minute, quickly wiping away stubborn stains like dried ketchup with ease. Its 20,000 Pascal suction power does a good job lifting pet hair from carpets, but struggles a bit with deeply embedded dirt compared to the Roborock Z70. The E28 spot cleaner works great on stairs and furniture, so you won't have to rent a carpet cleaner anymore. On the other hand, the Roborock Z70 has 22,000 PA suction, making it powerful enough to suck up dirt deeply embedded in your carpets. Its VibraRise 4.0 mops vibrate 3,000 times per minute, making them effective at cleaning grout lines and automatically lifting when on carpets. The Omni grip arm is unique, as it can clear paths and clean under objects like a fallen toy bin, a feature that many other robots may not offer. Both vacuums bring impressive features to the table. Go for the Eufy Omni E28 if you need a portable spot cleaner for stairs, or if your home has tricky corners and edges that need extra attention. It's perfect for daily maintenance with solid suction power, though not top tier. On the other hand, the Roborock Saros Z70 is your pick if you want a slim robot that effortlessly moves obstacles and features future-proof tech with over-the-air updates. Both are great, but the Z70 offers a more futuristic, hands-free experience. The E28 is your versatile all-rounder. So, which one would you add to your cleaning arsenal? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.